Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text like this one in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So adding text is quite simple in Filmora. First, let me go ahead and delete this so that I begin afresh. Now to do that, first you need to go ahead and add your video on video 1 timeline. There's video 1 timeline, and then we shall add our text on video 2 timeline. To add a text, go ahead and click on this title if you want custom made text styles, or if you want just plain text, you can use this text option. So first I'll use the custom made title style, and then once you click on titles, you can see we have quite a number of text styles that you can choose from. So go ahead and download any of them, and once you have downloaded, just click on add here, and then it will be added on your timeline, and you can see here is our text box. However, if I click on it, you can see we can now go ahead and write whatever we want. If you just double click on it and then go ahead and select here text, you can now go ahead and edit this to any that you wish. For instance, I'll write music world just like that, and I'm done. Alternatively, you can also customize it by making it maybe bolder and using any of these styles. So you can go through them and then get the one that you wish. You can also change the color using the color filter that is available here, and that will be added. If you need this text to play throughout your track, you can also go ahead and click on it on this timeline and then expand it or fill it throughout the timeline from the beginning to the end. And now if I play, you can see that has been added successfully. You can also move this text around by just clicking on it and then moving it when you long press on the mouse like that. So you can place it wherever you want. Now apart from this text style, you can also go ahead and just create a plain text, and that is also simple. We can just go ahead and use this simple text and click on it and then click on quick text, and then you can see our text has been added here. If you double click on it, it will be added on your video here as well as on the timeline. So from here, we can go ahead and edit it. For instance, I want again to write music world like that, but I like to make it much bolder, so you can resize this as you wish, just like that. And you can also go ahead and use these presets that are available here to customize your letters or your text. You can also change the color using this color palette, and that is it. Once you're done, now it's time to click OK, and also determine how far or which position exactly do you want this text to appear. If you want it to appear throughout the whole video, you can also go ahead and drag it from the beginning. Then on the other side, drag this to the end like this. And now our text has been applied to the whole video. So that's how you can apply or add text in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.